Hello dear friend. There is a ton of quality budget gaming headsets, but which one is gonna be the best for you and your specific needs? In this video we will be checking out the best budget gaming headsets. I have made a list based on performance, features and more. I have included options for every type of consumer to make sure that you find the right product for you. Don't forget the like and subscribe button. Let's go.
Have you heard? The ROG Delta is changing the headset game with both superior performance and style. The Delta features a hi-fi grade ESS 9218 quad DAC, providing lossless audio processing. This superior audio quality, paired with a 127 decibel signal-to-noise ratio, can even give you an advantage in FPS games. By reducing background noise, it's easier to pinpoint specific sounds and positional cues. The exclusive ASUS Essence drivers are engineered to separate high, low, and medium sound frequencies, minimizing cross-frequency interference and delivering a purer sound profile. And the airtight construction ensures nothing interferes with your audio experience. The headphones are designed to be ergonomic. The interior drivers are angled by 12 degrees to match the natural curve of the human ear. And with two sets of ear cushions, one cloth and one protein leather, you can find the fit that matches best. The onboard microphone can be detached when you're not using it. This unidirectional mic even alerts you when you're muted with a red indicator light. The Delta connects via USB Type-C connection, allowing for multi-platform support. Included in the package is an adapter for USB 2.0, so you can use it with your PC, gaming consoles, and more. With 7 independent lighting zones and 6 different lighting patterns, the options for customizing your headphone's appearance are endless. However, when you're ready to go into stealth mode, you can turn off all RGB LEDs with the flick of a switch. And with Aura Sync, your headphones can match the lighting pattern and color of your other Aura Sync compatible components, like the ROG Strix Flare keyboard and ROG Gladius 2 Origin mouse.
When you're playing for high stakes, you need the right gear. And with the new G432 7.1 surround sound gaming headset from Logitech G, you'll hear the enemy approaching from all angles. The G432 is all about audio performance, as it boasts upgraded DTS Headphone X 2.0 technology that allows your games to take full advantage of 7.1 surround sound. In fiercely competitive games, hearing precisely where your opponents are in the virtual environment provides a genuine tactical advantage. The previous generation headphones' 40mm drivers have now been replaced by bigger and better 50mm drivers, delivering richer audio, stronger bass response, and enhanced overall fidelity. The G432 is also designed for convenience. You can instantly mute and unmute your mic whenever you want, simply by flipping the headset's attached boom up and down. Headset-mounted volume controls are also always within easy reach, so no matter what situation you find yourself in, you're always in control. The Logitech G432 also comes with USB DAC and 3.5mm inputs, so you can enjoy cross-platform compatibility, effortlessly switching from PC to console. Also out now, the G332 stereo gaming headset delivers incredible stereo sound through its own set of 50mm drivers and enjoys the same mic quality, ear cup comfort, and elegant design as the G432. To learn more about both the G432 and G332 gaming headsets, head on over to logitechg.com.
Your headset is more than just an essential part of your setup. It also enables you to get truly lost in your game and feel totally immersed in sound. Enter Logitech's G733, a gaming headset that's designed to be as expressive as you are. It comes in a choice of 4 colours: lilac, blue, white, and of course black. And they're fully customizable too, so you can create your own look to further complement your gaming space. Because it's wireless, the Logitech G733 lets you play without getting tangled up in a cable. Never a good look. Thanks to Logitech's Lightspeed technology, the G733 gives you breathtaking audio and voice quality without the need for wires, and you won't need to worry about running out of power. You'll get up to 29 hours of battery life on a single charge, so it'll outlast even the longest gaming session, and recharging is as easy as plugging in a USB cable. The G733 is also super lightweight, coming in at just 278 grams. That's about the same as 2 cheeseburgers. And its dual-layer memory foam ear cup, encased in soft jersey material, conforms to the shape of your head and ears, delivering the ultimate comfort for hours on end. The headset's suspension design fits to your head, with the elastic headband avoiding uncomfortable pressure points. As well as being replaceable, the headband is also fully washable, so wins points for cleanliness and sustainability. Its immersive surround sound comes courtesy of Logitech's 40mm Pro G drivers that give you crystal clear reproduction across the audio spectrum. And not only does the G733 sound amazing, it'll make you sound fantastic too. Its detachable mic uses Blue Voice filters that you can fine-tune for broadcast quality sound via Logitech's G Hub, making it perfect for every scenario, from team talk to streaming to simply catching up with your friends. To make the G733 totally unique to you, there's full spectrum RGB lighting that can be set up your way. You can even accessorize your G733 with reversible headbands in an assortment of colourful patterns. And for the final flourish that will stamp your personality onto your headset, you can even get a set of fun mic covers that you can swap around depending on your mood. So there you have it. Logitech's G733 gaming headset hits that must-have sweet spot of great looks, incredible comfort, and unrivaled audio quality. And it's just part of Logitech's Colour Collection, a range of gaming gear for players who want to play their way without compromising on style or performance.
Enhance your team comms with ROG Theta 7.1 and Strix Go 2.4 AI noise-canceling microphone gaming headsets. Both headsets feature a smart mic that reduces distracting background shatters, keyboard clatters, and rapid mouse clicks. Both headsets are equipped with a dedicated processor loaded with smart profiles trained by AI to eliminate over 50 million types of background noise while preserving vocal harmonics. Additionally, the detachable unidirectional microphone is certified by both Discord and TeamSpeak.
When you're gaming, you don't need to worry about loud keyboard sound or noises, and you can get great communication. Here's the difference on the noise cancellation effect between the recording of ROG AI microphone and the recording of the camera.
Both headsets come with a USB-C connector for compatibility with PC, Mac, PS4, Nintendo Switch, and other smart devices. The ROG Theta 7.1 is our high-end gaming headset, featuring home theater-grade, true 7.1 surround sound. Instead of the traditional 5 smaller drivers found in other headsets, the design of the ROG Theta features 4 larger discrete ASUS Essence drivers in each ear cup, and they come with powerful virtual basses for an immersive gaming experience that you can feel. An exclusive customized ROG Home Theater Grade 7.1 DAC provides an impressive 118 decibel signal-to-noise ratio. Equipped with hi-fi ESS 9601 quad amplifiers, is powered by up to 4 individual amplifiers. This helps provide exceptional lossless audio. In the box, you get the well-packed ROG Theta 7.1, detachable noise-canceling unidirectional microphone, USB-C to USB 2.0 adapter cable, 2 pairs of ROG hybrid ear cushions, one for long gaming sessions, the other pair for on-the-go use. At just 290 grams, the Strix Go 2.4 won't weigh you down. This wireless, foldable, featherweight headset comes in a high-quality travel case that holds everything you need to game wherever you want. Enhance your team comms on the go or in surround sound with the Strix Go 2.4 and ROG Theta 7.1 AI noise-canceling microphone gaming headsets.
This is the original ROG Delta, and here is the new ROG Delta S gaming headset, which is 20% lighter than its predecessor, weighing in at just 300 grams. The adjustable headband is still reinforced with stainless steel. The width is slightly narrower to reduce bulk, and the foam is thicker to increase comfort. The lightweight, D-shaped circumaural ear cups and reduced clamping force are all tuned to strike the right balance, so the ROG Delta S feels exceptionally comfortable even after prolonged use. The unique shape of the ear cups not only appears less bulky, the cushions hug the contours around your ears better. The contact area is reduced by 20%, which increases the comfort further, and allows more of your skin to breathe when the competition heats up. The swappable cushions come in 2 types to offer different fit and feel. Protein leather is comparatively softer at 24mm. ROG Hybrid is slightly thicker at 25mm and provides a better contoured fit. To retain good sound insulation, protein leather on the inner wall of the hybrid cushion surrounds the Essence driver, while the rest is fabric mesh, which breathes better when pressed against your skin. Whichever type of cushions you choose, you'll always get top-notch audio. The new ESS 9281 features 4 DACs, which devote processing power to specific subsets of the audible frequency range: lows, mids, highs, and ultra-highs. The 4 signals are then combined to produce higher quality sound, with an impressive 130 decibel signal-to-noise ratio, setting a new standard for gaming headsets. Exclusive hypergrounding technology is utilized to keep the audio signals pure. The crisp and detailed sound not only paints a clearer aural landscape in games, but higher fidelity in movies and music also. Speaking of music, Delta S gives you the full high-res MQA experience. MQA, which stands for Master Quality Authenticated, is a format that audiophiles look out for when streaming music. The MQA format makes high-res quality from a smaller file size possible. The MQA renderer in the Delta S is what you need in order to unlock the full potential from an MQA file. To have clear in-game communication, the Delta S features AI mic. A dedicated processor, preloaded with smart profiles, can identify over 50 million types of background noises. Cancelling out undesirable noises efficiently results in well-preserved vocal harmonics for crystal clear in-game team communication.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed yourself, make sure to press that like button. And if you want to see more of these videos, make sure to press that subscribe button and notification so you would know when we drop a new video. Also, if you're interested in any of these products, you will find all their links in the description. Thank you.